Go through that area, market. So hungry. We are going to town center. I don't know what I'll do. I don't know why I'm even recording these videos. It's pointless. No one watches them. There is one person though, apart from you, that watches it.
Might just put a like so you can get a little attention.
That's fair. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Did you know there was a fire in Milton Keynes Market?
Yes, I saw that. They've cordoned it all off.
Oh, the bus driver today went through that area because he wasn't told that it had a fire and that supposed to go through there. It was quite funny and a little bit sad at the same time.
Right, we'll still go to city centre. I need to get some leaving cards and my Secret Santa gift.
Where are you gonna go then?
I should. Mummy doesn't go this way. Why didn't you eat food at home?
There's nothing at home to eat. Oh my god, look at my head. The way the camera shows me, like I have a bald head. I have hair, but it's a massive forehead. Look at that. Oh, I'm gonna go bald.
There's always.
So I'm baldy, and I'm also heading to Ikea to buy a wardrobe. Let's go. So, well, we're looking for a wardrobe. Don't focus too much on it. Come this way. I could sleep in these beds, but I don't think I should be welcome. I don't even know what floor we're on right now. This one's better. Primness. Where are we going right now? Sale now on. Gotta find that sale. Yeah, this is the one. This is the one I want.
Mirrors?
I don't think I need mirrors. Yeah, it is the one. Scoop. This is the right one. Oh, we'll have a look around. Oh yeah, it is that one. It is. Oh, this one? This one's okay. This was also one of the ones I looked at. What do you think? No? Okay. What is this? What's it for? Household goods and preparation area. Can we have to buy wardrobe back and forth, isn't it? I think they're giving it IKEA free advertising. Probably will female walk-in wardrobe. This, yeah, I don't. Where is the wardrobe section? The house. Look at all these chairs. I like it. Oh, this is nice. You might break if you're a fat person. Have you ever heard of anyone staying overnight in Ikea? How's this? Oh, I like it. The sunken feeling. Never a good idea to come to Ikea if you don't want to. I like it. If I had a studio, it would look like this. Oh, what? How much are these?
For storage.
Oh, okay. Are these books real?
They're just there for like setup.
I can't read any of them. They're in Swedish. Never mind. Oh. Bottles. Chairs, children's chairs. Enjoy it, eating so much better when we're doing it together. Let's go order tripping. Which way? She said get the trolley somewhere else. Oh. We can't spend all the time in here now. Oh. That's actually a nice bowl. Come, we have to find the wardrobe. Check this wardrobe. This one's actually quite a good color. It's got the thing already installed. How much? It's $250 though. It's actually nice. I like the color. And someone left their shoe. Oh. You wanna have a look? Why is it stopping there? It's a different price online.
How much is it online?
This online is I think £8.
Maybe it's a different one.
I think yeah, it is a different one. This one is. I can't even say it. I'm not gonna say it.
Let's go.
What about light? Oh, it's got two settings: automatic on and. I was leaving an auto like this before. Oh. It's not turned off yet.
Doesn't matter. What about black wardrobes?
I like the color, but yeah, it's not got much features. It's more of a filing cabinet than it is a wardrobe. This one would be good for your room if you want to. This is someone for baking. So this is probably a laundry area. Oh, it is a laundry area. Washer and clothes bag. The detergents and stuff. This is where probably the dog stays. What are these plants actually for? It is fake plants. I don't mind fake plants. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at this. I like it. This is amazing. Oh, damn. How much would this kitchen cost anyway? How much would it cost?
Open it up. Because it opens up.
Oh, we installed 3553.
Why is there a gap there?
Oh, methods not. No, that's that one. So which one is it? 5984? Oh, 10 grand if we pay. Next. I like the color in this.
Having 3 ovens. Bring any chair. Like, one living room.
Heavy duty, nice.
Right, guys, what do we want them for dinner?
18 plus. This is 8 plus, sunflower.
Is it?
Yeah. 8 plus, 8 plus. I don't know.
And how many pieces?
Alright, a McLaren car. That's.
It doesn't say how many pieces, but she did enjoy the Legoland when we went in Manchester. It doesn't say how much it is though. Sure.
Shopping for a preteen is difficult. What about Spider-Man for?
That's what Eelam wants. Well, that's too aggressive for a 3-year-old.
No, it's not. It'll be 4 next year.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more amazing content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Make sure to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to us and helps keep the channel growing. Let's build this community together. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends.